Good afternoon and welcome to this, the 13th day of May, and another COVID-19 update. There's been a lot of confusion, especially surrounding marinas and people access to their water access or island properties. As of last Friday, the province has allowed for marinas to put boats in the water and for people to access any of their water access properties. They will be able to deliver your boats. They'll be able to put boats down in your boathouse. I will encourage you, however, that if you have mainland access, you can come by car. Please don't pressure your marina to try and get your boat in the water for this weekend. It's going to be a very different weekend for everyone, and they are struggling to be able to provide vessels to get on the water for island properties. Our marina boat ramps are open, and all of our public ramps are open across Muskoka. Regarding coming up to your cottage, first and foremost, I have to remind everyone that according to every official health office, unnecessary travel is strongly discouraged. If you don't need to go somewhere, please don't. However, many people have been away for their summer residence for 6 months, maybe longer, and they do feel the need to check on it, maybe for insurance purposes. If this is the case and you feel it necessary to come and check on your property, please do so and understand that we welcome you to do so, but take every precaution that you can. I understand, however, that if you are coming, we need to follow some simple rules regarding COVID-19 and as many safety protocols as we can. First of all, as everyone is extremely fearful of this virus, no matter where you are, no one wants to get sick by COVID-19. Because of this, there's many local people who are truly fearful. So if you do come, please understand and please be extremely respectful of everyone. Be appreciative that we're able to be up here and all of us are able to enjoy this beautiful country. But also understand and respect everyone's fears. When you're walking past someone, as opposed to just walking by them, take a step back, take a step aside. That is showing true respect so as not to potentially inflict anything on them or spread the virus. The other thing I will say, if you happen to be in a store, make sure that you have a mask on. We don't want to spread this virus. For those who are also coming for the first time this year, please understand that with our COVID-19 protocols, grocery delivery, our hardware stores that are open are operating under different protocols. They may only be allowing so many people in the store. They're having to sanitize shopping carts after everyone is there. So the ability for you to get your groceries or get your hardware supplies may be strained, and it may take you far longer if you want to access the services here. So I'm going to encourage you, if you're coming up, please, if you can, bring your supplies, bring your groceries, bring your hardware supplies as needed so as not to put an undue burden right now for this weekend on our hardware stores or our grocery chains. Also, if you do come, please isolate. We know that the best way to stop the spread of this virus is to isolate. Stay at your own property. You don't need to go out. All of our attractions, our restaurants, our bars, our concert venues like the Kitabala are closed. So there's really no reason to be going out into those things. If you're at your property, please feel free to do some light yard work, but nothing too strenuous that may cause an accident and having our fire department or EMS have to come and rescue you. Also, as we move forward, remember that there is a complete fire ban on. No outdoor burning, no bonfires, no cooking over an open fire. Everything outdoors is banned, and that includes fireworks for this holiday weekend. You are allowed to have a propane barbecue, those kinds are okay, but everything else, when you're stoking up a fire, is banned. There is a $1,000 fine if you're caught with an outdoor fire, so please don't do that. One other point I want to make is that of water levels. Many people, especially on Lake Muskoka, have noted this year that we had some high spring water levels. They weren't above the normal operating zone, but they were higher than many people would like and certainly higher than our summer levels. We're trying to get a baseline and understand what height people's docks and boathouses are built at. So starting this afternoon on the Township Muskoka Lakes website, as well as the District of Muskoka website, you will be able to find an information survey. It's going to be open for the next few weeks, so it's not critical that you get it done this weekend, but we're asking everyone to go down to their dock or their boathouse and measure the water level from the top of the water level to the top of your dock boards. You're going to register that against your property address, and it will give us an indication of what the infrastructure is at various levels and help us amend the Muskoka River Water Management Plan in the future as we discuss this with the MNRF. The only other thing I'd like to say is on behalf of myself and your entire council here at Township of Muskoka Lakes, I trust that you're all isolating and that you are safe. We need to protect ourselves. We need to treat ourselves as if we have the virus so as not to spread the virus. Again, if you're coming to Muskoka this weekend, please respect those people who are fearful. We are one community. The seasonal residents certainly need those year-round residents, and the year-round residents certainly need the seasonal residents. Let's work together, let's be respectful of one another, and let's have a safe holiday weekend. Let's change that. Let's have a safe isolation weekend. Take care, and again, be safe.